let's go to one of my faves of something that when you make for people, they're kind of always a little surprised by because they're expecting, well, not much. It's a snake. So now a lot of people, when they make a snake, there's your snake. Now we're going to do something a little bit different, a little bit better. And we're going to start off with a big loop twist. Now the key with this loop twist is that we're going to make sure that we have room to put a whole nother section of balloon into it. So we're going to now do a second loop twist, slightly bigger. And we don't really need too much tail at the end. We're just going to leave that. We'll do an ear twist in a minute. But the whole idea is you're going to take the bigger one and put it through the smaller one. And this is going to give us the head to the snake. Doesn't look like much now, but it will look better in a second. So we're going to do an ear twist. A 1-inch bubble ear twist. That'll lock everything in. And let's work on the eyes. So I like red eyes on my snake. So we don't need to make much of a section of a 1/60. And what we're going to do is do an ear twist and just lock this in. And I'm going to actually take, let me do this here. I'm going to actually take this ear twisted section and I'm going to bury the knot through it. That way, I'm not going to worry about it coming undone. And I'm going to go up underneath the snake's head and put the eye there. And now I'm going to make just a little bubble. And all this little bubble in between is for is kind of act as a spacer. So it's not pulling too hard on the other side. And I'm going to do another little ear twist. And this one I'm going to tie so it doesn't go anywhere. I'm going to cut off the extra. So to give you an idea, I got these two sections of my red balloon, which are going to be my eyes. Going to go underneath, poke one through there, one through the other side, and that will give me that. There we go. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that extra that we just had. I'm going to make a little, just a little bubble, about 5 inches, 4 or 5 inches. Tie it off. There we go. And that's going to be my snake's tongue. And I'm going to take that nozzle and I'm going to actually bring that back around to that ear twist in the back of the head. And it's going to lock everything in position. Okay. It's going to give that snake's tongue a little shape. And tie that off. And give it a little cut. And there we go. Is our snake's head. Okay. Now, if you want to add some little fun things to it, I've done this in the past. Give it some evil eyebrows. Now let's do it out of black. So, going to do a 3-bubble sequence. Okay, there we go. So, that middle bubble, we're just going to ear twist it. And that'll give us the evil eyebrows, or the angry eyebrows. And we can take a little bit of the red balloon for the eyes that we tied off, and that will lock it into place. And there we go. That is our snake's head. Now let's make the rest of the body. And now there's a couple different ways you can do it. You can do just a long stick if you want. You can use one of those type of balloons that actually has the automatic shape that ovulates. Or you can twist the balloon however you want around your fingers. Some people who use pumps, they have little gadgets that they hook right to the pump and it blows it up and twists. I do it by mouth. So this one I'm going to make is a zigzag. And there we go. Just gives a little bit of a shape to it. Now, if you just had a long balloon, you can also just bend it wherever you want, give it a nice little shape, and that will hold wherever you squeeze it, will keep that shape. So, I'm going to put those together. Take the nozzle, put it around your ear twist, and I'm going to cut off the extra of the head. And there we go. There's my little snake with personality. And it's quick. You can do it in under 90 seconds if you push it. And it gets a great response, especially when, I love it when a kid asks for a snake and the parents are like, oh, this is going to be too easy, or they have very low expectations. Then you make something like this, you get people, they enjoy it. Let's put it that way. So that is the snake.